are facing any serious issues means okay, let it be no problem. Okay, I can't do anything there. Anila Mohanan, hungry, eating your nail. Anila, listen carefully. Okay, fine. So today, Subhambal also turned on his camera. Okay, thank you, Mr. Subhambal. And today's special prize or special award goes to Mr. Subhambal. His camera is on. Okay. Anyway, so moving towards the class. Okay, here it is. Weighted arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, so this is what our next topic. So far, we'll continue and discuss the various methods to find out the mean. Mean. Okay, so mean, it is difficult. Mean is a, we know that arithmetic mean, median, mode. Okay, so now here we're going for find out a weighted arithmetic mean. So reading that paragraph, sometimes it is important to assign weights to various items according to their importance when you calculate the arithmetic mean. So there is no clear-cut description of weighted mean, weighted arithmetic mean in this chapter, but in future, another chapter, we will learn that properly. Okay, so just moving forward. For example, there are two commodities, the different commodities, commodities. For example, here, provided mangoes and potatoes, You are interested in finding the average price of mangoes, that is here mentioned with the P1 mangoes. Okay, next one, potatoes P2. Okay, P2. Next item. Okay, the arithmetic mean will be P1 plus P2 divided by 2. P1 plus P2. I mean, price of the first commodity plus price of the second commodity. So here, second commodity divided by 2. That's what the method to find out of. Okay, clear or not? However, you might want to give more importance to the rise in price of potatoes, P2. Okay, the rise in price, changes in the price of potatoes, P2. Okay, to do this, you may use the weights, the share of mangoes in the budget of the consumer, W1. Okay, share of mangoes of the consumer in W1. So you already studied that. Related with the budget, there are different types of bundles are there, right? Yes or no? We studied that in a consumer behavior. Different types of bundles a consumer will prefer. Okay, so such kind of calculation, this method we are basically using there in economics, right? Basically, we are using this method. To do this, you may use the weights of share of mangoes in the budget of the consumer and the share of potato in the budget, W2. So mangoes, okay, the number of mangoes, it is considering as a W1 and the share of potatoes is considering as a W2 in the budget, W2. Now the arithmetic mean weighted by the shares in the budget would be, okay, number of mangoes multiplied by the price of the mangoes, okay, plus number of potatoes multiplied by price of potatoes. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Simply it is, okay, W1 plus P1. Okay, example, instead of W1, you just use a Q1, P1, quantity of mangoes plus quantity of mangoes multiplied by price of the mangoes plus Q2 P2, quantity of potatoes multiplied by price of the potatoes divided by W1. I mean Q1 plus Q2, Q1 plus Q2, quantity 1 plus quantity 2. That's the main method to find out the weighted mean. Okay, but here not mentioned Q or P. Okay, P is here, but instead of Q, we using a method here W. Okay, another notation is here in the textbook. Okay, W1 multiplied by P1 plus W2 multiplied by P2 divided by W1 plus W2, weight of mangoes plus weight of, so that's what the W here, weight of mangoes plus weight of potatoes. Okay, weight in the sense, we cannot say it's a real weight, maybe a number, quantity also, maybe the real weight also we can. Okay, so 1 kg into, okay, 2 kg into, like that. Okay, so in general, the weighted arithmetic mean is given by W1x1 plus W2x2 plus continuing series Wn x1, Wn and xn divided by W1 plus W2 plus how many quantities are there or what are the different quantities up to the Wn. Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Are you the host now?
No.
Okay. Okay, you just disable the screen sharing. I can see some lines from your screen there. Okay, fine. So when the price rise, you may be interested in the rise of prices of commodities that are more important to you. You will read more about in this discussion on index numbers in chapter 8. You will learn this method in chapter 8. So for simple understanding, what is that? two commodities are related with the budget of each and every individual. We know that if you are discussing about any particular two commodities, always they will give the preferences for these two commodities. Okay, the number will always change. There's basically we considering that as bundles, different bundles. Okay, so bundles preference is related with the budget of the consumer. So 100 rupees with the person, okay, he will spend that to purchase mangoes and potatoes. Okay. Okay, so he will choose mangoes or potatoes as per his preferences, and the money what we have with him, right? Clear or not? So in that way, in this method, we'll use what we can say the weighted mean method to find out the importance of the price of one commodity here. Okay, that's right. We will learn that in index numbers. Already I told you. Okay, next some activities are there. Just read all these things, activities, and complete. Okay, now we are moving towards the next step for you people. That is a median. Median. Okay. So what is the specialty of the term median here? Okay, so median is the positional value of the variable which divide the distribution into two equal parts. First point for us. What is that term? Median will divide that into two parts. Okay, so median is the positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. Two equal parts. Then we will come to ask one question there. If even numbers means, how can we divide that into two even parts? Is that possible? Or equal parts? Is that possible? Huh? Odd numbers means, sorry, even numbers means we are able to divide into two, right? Okay, if 4 means two one side, other two another side. Okay, if 5 means what will happen there? You will come to 3 2 or 2 3, right? Difficult, right? Okay, for that also one method we will use here. We will learn that. Okay, one part comprises of all values greater than or equal to the median. Okay, so for example, 5 is the median. Just imagine here one side you can see that 4 3 2 1. Okay, now another side we are able to see 6 7 8 9. Okay, just imagine one side the values are lesser than the median, and the other side we are able to find the values, it is greater than the median. That is the speciality of this number median, right or not? One side is equal to or greater than, other side is equal to or less than. Okay, clear? So coming to this side, the upper part, okay, upper part moving upward, that is lesser than the median. Okay, it is not equal to but lesser than the median. And coming to the lower part here, moving downward, you can see all the numbers are higher than the median. So median is dividing into total value, what do you can say that distribution into two equal parts there. So one part comprises all values greater than or equal to the median value, and the other comprises all values less than or equal to it. The median is the middle element. Okay, the next point, the third point for you people, that is here. The median is the middle element when the data set is arranged in order to the magnitude. Okay, since the median is set magnitude in the sense like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we're moving forward with an increasing value, we can easily say that. Okay, data set is arranged in order to the magnitude. Since the median is determined by the position of different values, it remains unaffected if say the size of the largest value increases. Okay, size of the largest value increases here always, you can see that. Okay, next one, the computation of median. So here 5 points are there. Basically all those 5 points you want to write if asking a question, what is median and how to calculate that, or what are the specialities. Okay, want to write all those things there. Next one, computation of median, how to calculate that. Okay, so it's a simple way. The median can be easily computed by sorting the data from smallest to largest. Okay, important factor is here. What is that? They want to sort out the data from the smallest, 0 to 10. Okay, smallest to the highest, or the largest, and finding out the middle value. That's the way, the first step that we want to do to find out the median. Okay, computation of median. First of all, want to sort out the data and rewrite that from the lower number to the higher number. I mean, lower number to the largest, the smallest to the largest. Okay, so underline that area. It is important for understanding the term median here. Okay, already you studied this, right? In which class? And Joseph, in class 9 or class 10? Tell me. Anjo, just in class 10. No idea? Class 10, I think so, right? Anila? Okay. moving forward. So coming to a series here, example 5. Example 5. Suppose we have the following observation in data set. Okay, so here is a data set with this following observation: 5, 7, 6, 1, 8, 10, 12, and 14, and 14. So we want to rewrite that. We are going to rewrite that into another way from the smallest number to the highest or the largest number. So which is the smallest number here? The smallest number here, 1, right? So 1 is the smallest number, 1. Okay, next smallest one after 1. So 14 again. Okay, one more is that is 12, 4, and 3. And 3. So 3 is the second one, 4 is the third one, 5 is the fourth one, 6 is the fifth one, 7 is the sixth one. Okay, 8 is the seventh one, and the next one is 10 going to 8. Again, any numbers are there? Okay, 12, that is the ninth one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we got a number. How can we rearrange that? It is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 10, and 12, and 12. Okay, you got that, right? You got that idea, right? Okay. So rewriting that. Okay. Then the middle score. So you can see it is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So we are going to the middle score here. Okay. So that is 6. 6. You take a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the median is 6. Median is 6. Clear or not? All these digits at the right side, it is greater than 6, and all these numbers in the left side, it is lesser than 6. Lesser than 6, right? Right or not? Okay. So one trouble is there. What is that? If there are even numbers in this data, there will be 2 observations. Okay. With these even numbers means 2 observations will be there. All right. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the middle one, right? Yes or no? Okay, see here 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Okay, 6 is the middle value here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so perfectly that divided into 2 groups. Okay, one group is greater than 6, the other group is lesser than 6. So simply we can say that the middle score 6 is the median. Okay, 6 is the median. Okay, if there are the even numbers. Okay, so odd number, it is too easy to find out the middle value. For even numbers, what we will do? That's trouble here. So which falls in the middle? The median is the case is computed as a arithmetic mean of two middle values. So that time the two middle values we will use and we'll find out the two middle values and we'll use arithmetic mean to find out the median. What I don't know, we will use arithmetic mean to find out the median. What arithmetic mean? Okay, for even numbers, odd numbers, we know that a perfect number can divide that into 2 sections. Clear or not? So the even numbers, right? So now we are discussing about even numbers, right? So first of all, in the case of odd numbers, okay, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely the 5, number 5 is the median. There is no differences. Okay, the 5 is directly or perfectly, it is dividing that group into 2 sections there. One group is less than 5, the other is greater than 5. Okay, but remember, if 10 is there, means what will happen? But number 10 also is there, what will happen there? So right side of 5, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there, and the left side only 4 numbers. Okay, so it is difficult to find out, right? So what we will do? 2 values we will take, 2 median we will take. Okay, 7. Okay, now up to 10 it is, right? So 7, 5, 6. So we took 5 and 6, these 2 numbers as median, and we will find out the arithmetic mean of these 2 numbers. How it is? 5 plus 6 divided by 2, right? Yes or no? 5 plus 6 divided by 2. So 11 divided by 2. What is the answer? 10.5. 10.5. So 10.5 is considering, right or not? Is that correct or not?
So 5.5.
Sorry. Not 10.5. 5.5. Okay. Okay, so this method is considering as what for even numbers. Even numbers, we will use this method. We will use this method, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 5 and 6 definitely we can say that it is dividing into two categories there. 4 numbers at the left and 4 numbers at the right. So 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6 divided by 2, 11 by 2, that is 5.5. 5.5. That's an answer here. That is the answer here. So it is considering as this number is considering as the median here, right? Got or not? They're clear or not? Okay, so nothing serious, nothing serious. Just keep that in your mind. Okay, so which fall in the middle? The median in the case of the computed as the arithmetic mean into two middle values. Okay, so we are going to find out that. The following data, example 6 here, example 6, the following data provides marks of 20 students. You are required to calculate the median marks. Okay, so I want to rewrite that first. Okay. So you know that a number of numbers are there. I mean, number of students are here. 20 students are here total. 20 students are here. And this data we are going to rewrite from the smallest number to the largest one. So 25, 28, 29, 30, like that will move up to 72. Up to 72. Okay. Clear or not? Clear. So the specialty here, number 45 and 46. Okay, take that numbers as the median here because it is an even number, 20, even number, right? So we can take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Clear or not? That two numbers dividing that entire group into two sets. Okay, so we got two values here, 46 and 46 assumed. Okay, just assume this as the median numbers there. Okay, so you can see that there are two observations in the middle, 46 and 46. 45 and 46. The median can be obtained by taking the mean of the two observations. So median numbers are here. It is 45 and 46. Okay, and we want to find out the mean of these two numbers. So mean means we know that okay, sigma x divided by n, right? Right. So 45 plus 46 divided by 2, and the median is 45.5. 45.5. Okay. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Thank you. Okay. Is the idea clear? Is this idea clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to some other number. You just to find out that. Okay. I will write that. Okay, these are the numbers. 10, 12, 3, 8, 7, 11, 5, 6, 12. Go for 18. It already wrote there. Okay. Okay. 18, 9, 14. And 12 also continue. I mean, one repetition is there, number 12. Instead of that, write 15. Okay. So numbers are 10, 12, 3, 8, 7, 11, 5, 16, 15, 18, 9, and 14. 9 and 14. Okay, complete it and show me. Find out the median. No answer so far. Make it fast.
Sir, 1.5.
Pardon? Send the calculation, please. Come on, come on.
Show the question also.
Want to show the question? Okay, let it. Where is Anna? Sorry, Femina. Femina, are you there, Femina? Femina.
Yes, sir.
Now okay, now okay, now okay. Silly error, right? So observe that carefully. Okay, don't make this kind of errors there. Okay. Now fine, correct answer. Shubham, correct answer. Others, Amalraj, you got the answer? You don't share your answer in the chat box, okay? You just complete the task and send to me. Make it fast. Aishwarya, can't send, right? Send in the chat box, make it fast.
The chat is disabled.
Okay, so sad. Okay, fine. Completed, everyone. This completed means we'll move forward. Okay, Aditya, correct. Aparna. Yeah, Aparna, correct answer. Okay, Elvina, correct answer. Okay. Anjo, answer is wrong. Anjo, just add that properly. 10 plus 11. What is that? Come on, make it fast. Annette Antony made an error there. Annette. Anila, correct. Karthik. Okay, correct. Shubham is asking for the second question. Okay, wait, Shubham. We'll give, wait. That was enthusiastic, right? With this Anjo, again, it is wrong. I cannot teach this, okay? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. I cannot do that. Please, that you want to you do yourself, okay? If you are making errors in that, I can help you. Okay, everyone, please send that answers immediately. Okay, so moving forward. Okay, so and this is one method here. So we can see just with even numbers. This is a method there. Want to find out the arithmetic mean of the middle values. Two middle values will be there, right? And that is the answer. That is the median here. Okay. Next one. In order to calculate median, it is important to know the position of the median. That is item divided by items at which the median lies. The position of the median can be calculated by the following formula. Okay. So we are able to find out the position of the median by using the following equation here. Position of the median is equal to n plus 1 item divided by 2. N plus 1th item divided by 2. Okay, clear? That's what the position of the median. Next one, where n, here it is, n is number of items, items plus 1, okay, divided by 2, that's the method to find out. Okay, so next one, you may note that the above formula gives you the position of the median in an ordered array, not the median itself. Okay, in ordered array, okay, you are able to find, but that number may not be the median there. So median is computed by the formula. So median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by, n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Okay, so that is the formula. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item, second item. Okay, we are going to find out that here in discrete series. Okay, in case of the discrete series, the position of median, that is n plus 1 divided by 2th item, can be located through cumulative frequency. So median in discrete series, that is connected with a cumulative frequency too. Okay, the corresponding value at this position is the value of median. The corresponding value at this position is the value of the median. So cumulative frequency also we want to find here. So already we completed that while discussing that chapter. Which chapter? Presentation of data. Remembering that? Remembering or not? Less than or more than or G? Less than or more than or J? Studied or not? Cumulative frequency. Okay, we're moving forward to that step here. Okay, so the frequency distribution of the number of persons and their respective income in rupees, that is rupees in given below, calculate the median income. So income, that's in rupees here. So it is a discrete series without a class intervals. So just take down the question here, write down the question. Number of persons, okay, 2, 4, 10, 4. Income, that is in rupees, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. In order to calculate the median income, you may prepare the frequency distribution of the given data. Okay, this data. Okay, you want to find out the frequency distribution of this data. Okay, so income is here 10, 20, 30, 40. So see here the same 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. So number of persons, 2, 4, 10, 4, 2, 4, 10, 4. Cumulative frequency. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4 here. Right. Okay, 4 plus 6, 10 here. Clear? Okay, next one is 16 plus 4, 20 here. Clear? You got the idea? Got the idea? Okay. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 10, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Clear? Clear? Okay. So that's what the cumulative frequency here. So the median is located in n plus 1 divided by 2. That is here the last number, the highest number is 20, right? The cumulative frequency is 20. This number. Okay. So the equation it is n plus 1 divided by 2. Clear or not? So, and what is n here? The group cumulative frequency n is 20. N is 20. Okay. Clear or not? Here 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. That's what. Clear? Clear? Okay, number of persons, total 20. So 20 we got. So 20 plus 1 divided by 2. 20 plus 1 divided by 2. That's what? 21 divided by 2. Answer is 1.5, right? No, 10.5, right? Anat, 21 divided by 2. What is the answer? 10.5, right? Yes or no? No, that's not the mistake you did it. Okay, so I think it's clear for you. So going for a simple homework now, and not homework in the classwork. Just now you can. Right now you want to finish it. Okay. So rewrite this into this data into same data only. Okay, write down 25, 50, 70, and 100. Okay. Number of persons 6, 8, 2, and 4. 25, 5, 70, 100. Okay. Rewriting 25, 50, 70, 100. Income of different people. Number of person 6, 8, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Just calculate it. Okay. So just to find out the observation where we can find that median. Just to find out first. Not completed here. Make it fast. Only one step we are going to complete. You got the answer, please send that to me. Okay, got only 5 minutes left. Okay, so just keep this pending. Tomorrow we will discuss. Let's write down some homeworks. Okay, just keep that this as pending here. Okay, we'll continue this one tomorrow. Just write down some homeworks for tomorrow. Okay. Okay, one set of data. Find the median. Second set. Second set. Third set. Okay, three sets. Three sets. Just find out the median. Okay. Find out the median. Okay. So we'll read that first is after 19, 15, 20, 17, 18, 12, 11, 12, 10. Second set 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 70, 75, 80. Third set 235, 468, 350, 432, 850, 536, 784, 333, 333. Okay. Okay. So complete this and submit me to by tomorrow morning. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next class. Anything? Any doubts or worries or queries? Nothing of that. So those who not complete the assignment, okay, just complete that and send me that. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you.